Hey everyone, it's your girl Lala Living here and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I installed this gorgeous wig from Yolova. This is a 24 inches loose waves 13 by 6 frontal wig, and you guys, it is so gorgeous. So when I got it, it came with a wig cap in it, and you guys know I love to get them wig caps because it replenishes the stash. They also gave some lashes, a card that basically said welcome to Yolova and thank you for the purchase. It also had some hair care instructions, but y'all, the star of the show, the actual wig. Oh, and we actually have a tweezer too, in case you may want to customize your wig. But y'all, this wig is so gorgeous. Like, I love loose waves, okay? Like, I just absolutely love loose waves hair. Like, it's just so easy to wear. You don't have to worry about curling it up as much. Like, it's just ready to go type of hair, and it's always in style. And it just looks effortless, but still sexy as hell. And so it came with some combs in it, one in the middle, two on the sides, and also one in the back. And it also has some adjustable straps in case your head is big. You could loosen it up. If your head is small, you could tighten that baby up. But y'all, I love this hair because it just looks so gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my powder foundation, and I'm just going to coat the inside of my lace. This is what I'm doing instead of bleaching my lace. So if you bleach your lace, you could definitely go ahead and do that, but I went ahead and I did the easier way, and I just put some powder on it. Y'all, the wig isn't even on my head secured, like laid and melted, but y'all, it already looks good. And when I tell y'all, this actually has a realistic, natural hairline, it certainly does. Like, look at that. It looks so good. But what I'm going ahead and doing right now is I'm taking my concealer and I put some on the edge of my angle brush, and I'm just making some marks on the lace so that I know where I want to cut, but most importantly where I want to go ahead and put my gel. So I'm going in with some alcohol. This helps to remove oils, makeup, debris, anything that basically will jeopardize the hold of my wig. Like, I want to wear this for a little minute because it's gorgeous. So I'm using none other than Got To Be gel, and I'm just creating a thin layer along my hairline. You could go ahead and use Ghost Bond, any type of glue you like. I personally like the Got To Be because it has a nice hold and it doesn't take away my edges. Like, that is really important. So what I'm doing is I'm just making a very thin layer of it. You don't have to use your fingers. This was pretty like ghetto of me, but you could use sticks, popsicle sticks or whatever, but my hands work perfectly fine, so I'm going to use them. And so I'm taking my blow dryer on cool, and I'm just making my gel tacky. When it's tacky, it tends to stick in place more, and I wouldn't have to deal with it sliding or anything. Like, once I pull down my lace, I just want it to stick and I want it to stay. So after it's tacky and it's clear, you can know it's tacky based on how it looks. Like, you see it looks clear, so it's dried in and it's tacky. And so I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be freeze spray also, and just spread that around just to get a double hold. And I'm just gonna do it on each side of my head. So once my freeze spray is also dried and really tacky, I'm going to go ahead and slide the wig forward. I'm going to slide my lace up, and I know exactly where to place it based on the markings I made earlier. So with the markings, I put the gel in that area, and all I'm doing now is making sure that the gel is lined up on my hairline, and I'm just going to place it down, secure it, and then I'm going to go in with the back of my comb just to press it in to make sure it's sticking down, it's secured, and that any of the baby hairs or little flyaways are also combed back in place. So once I have my wig secured, I'm going to go in with a little bit more freeze spray You can by all means skip this step, but I just like to make sure it's secured, and I want it to be more secured on my face, like so that when I'm going in with my scissors, if I have to pull up a little, that's better. Like you actually pull up the lace a bit while I'm cutting it. So I'm going to go in with my got to be spray and just spray it on the hairline, and then I'm going to go in with my scarf and I'm just going to tie down my hair. I'm going to tie down the frontal so that it melts and it's really flat and secured. Baby, we is back, okay? And so now I'm going to be taking off my scarf, and as you guys can see, what do we have here? A melted lace. Like, what did y'all think? So basically what I'm going to be doing now is taking my scissors and I'm just going to go ahead and cut my lace. This is pretty standard. I'm just going to cut in the middle, and then I'm going to also cut my ear tab so that I have more space, and then in between it also, and then I pull away a little. Like I told you guys, I pull back and I also cut at the same time, and then I'm just going in with my got to be spray just to touch up the edges, and then I'm going to go in with some foundation powder also just to give it real scalp look. Like it's already looking like scalp, but that makeup just gives it a little right, like a little extra, and I'm just pressing it in to make sure it's really secured and good. And now I'm going to get started with my part because I'm feeling like I want a middle part, so I think that's what I'm going to do. So once I've got my part down, I'm going to go in with my hot comb, and I'm just going to hot comb the part. That way we have a really flat lie there. And I know that you can see like the stocking cap underneath the wig, but that's totally fine because I'm also going to go in with some concealer just to define my part. But I'm going in with my hair wax stick, and this is what I got from my local beauty supply store. And I'm just going to put that around my part, and then I'm going to hot comb it again. This is going to give it a nice shiny and sleek look, and it's going to keep down any flyaways, and it just gives it a really professional look. Like if you don't have a hair wax stick, I don't know what you're doing. Like it's really a game changer. So like I told you guys, I'm going in with my part, and this is actually my foundation I'm using. I'm not using my concealer, so I'm just using some foundation and I'm pressing it in, and as you can see, I'm making it blend in a lot more, and it's going to be looking real natural. It's going to be giving scalp vibes. And now I'm just going to go in and create my baby hairs. I'm going to pull a little bit, like a thin layer from the sides, and I'm just going to cut them and swoop them in. So once I'm done with my swoop, I'm going to go in again with my hot comb, trying not to burn myself, right? And I'm going to just comb the hair back. This is going to give it a really nice look. I think I actually burned myself right there, but I played it off really good. But this is what the hair is looking like. It looks so good. I'm just going in with my argan oil mist, and I'm just going to spray the hair. This is going to help it to look a lot more better. And I'm just taking some mousse just to make the part at the front where I had brushed through it, I want to get that curl back, so I'm just putting some of the mousse, and this is the final look, you guys. It is so gorgeous. I will have a link to this hair down below in my description box, along with a coupon code for you girls. And that's the end of this video. If you want to see more videos by me, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment down if you think you'll be getting this wig. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.